Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're diving into something that every English learner has wondered. Why does English have so many weird rules?
Oh yes, English can be really confusing sometimes. One day you learn a rule and the next day you find an exception.
Exactly. It's like English loves to keep us on our toes. But don't worry, we're gonna laugh and learn together.
So Jack, what's one of the weirdest English rules you've come across?
Hmm, I think the spelling of words is pretty strange. Like, why is through spelled so differently from though or thought?
Oh, I know. And don't forget tough and bow. They all look similar but sound totally different.
It's like English is playing a joke on us.
Let's try saying them all. Through, though, thought, tough, bow.
That's a tongue twister and a spelling test all in one.
Another weird rule is about plurals. Most words just add s or es, but some change completely.
Like mouse becomes mice and child becomes children.
And goose becomes geese. Why can't it just be mouses or childs?
English likes to keep things interesting. These are called irregular plurals.
Here's a fun one. The word ox becomes oxen. That sounds so old-fashioned.
It does. English has some words that come from Old English or other languages, and they keep their original plural forms.
Speaking of weird, what about the silent letters, like the K in night or the W in right?
Yes, why do we have letters that don't even make a sound?
It's because English spelling hasn't changed much, even though pronunciation has.
So we're stuck with silent letters. But they make English look fancy, don't they?
Fancy and confusing. Another strange thing is the order of adjectives.
Oh, yes. Like we say a big red car, not a red big car.
There's a special order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose.
That's a lot to remember. But don't worry, most native speakers just know it naturally.
Now let's talk about phrasal verbs. They're verbs with prepositions or adverbs that change the meaning completely.
Like give up, look after, or run into.
Exactly. Give up means to stop trying, not to give something physically. These can be tricky because the meaning isn't obvious from the words themselves.
But once you learn them, they make your English sound more natural.
Here's a funny one. Break a leg. It means good luck, not to actually break your leg.
English is full of surprises. Idioms like that can confuse learners.
Let's practice some idioms. Repeat after me. Break a leg.
Break a leg.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Hit the sack.
Hit the sack.
Great. Now, what about the weird rule of I before E except after C?
Oh, yes, that rule. It works sometimes, like believe and friend, but fails in words like weird and science.
So it's more like a suggestion than a rule.
English loves exceptions.
Another funny thing is how we use will and going to for the future.
Yes, both mean future, but will is for decisions made now, and going to is for plans.
Like, I will call you versus I am going to call you.
It's subtle but important.
Finally, let's talk about pronunciation. English has so many sounds that don't exist in other languages.
Like the th sound in think and this.
Many learners find it hard to pronounce.
But with practice, you can master it.
So, English may have weird rules, but that's what makes it interesting and fun.
And don't forget, every language has its quirks.
The key is to keep learning, practicing, and laughing along the way. Now, Jack, let's share some quick tips to help learners deal with these weird English rules without getting frustrated.
Great idea, Sarah. First tip, don't try to memorize every rule perfectly. English has so many exceptions that it's impossible.
Instead, focus on learning the most common patterns in words. Practice them often, and the exceptions will become easier over time.
Second tip, use real-life examples. When you learn a new rule or word, try to use it in a sentence or conversation.
That helps your brain remember better and makes learning more fun.
Third tip, watch English movies, shows, or listen to podcasts. You'll hear how native speakers use these weird rules naturally.
And don't be afraid to imitate them. Shadowing is a great technique where you repeat what you hear to improve your pronunciation and rhythm.
Fourth tip, practice with a friend or language partner. Talking about funny or strange English rules can make learning enjoyable.
Yes, sharing laughs and stories helps reduce stress and builds confidence.
Finally, be patient with yourself. Learning English is a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes.
Every mistake is a step closer to mastery.
Let's finish with a fun quiz. I'll say a sentence, and you guess if it's correct or not.
Ready.
I have went to the store yesterday.
That's incorrect. It should be, I went to the store yesterday.
Correct. Next, she has eaten breakfast this morning.
That's correct. Present perfect is used because the time is today and the action is relevant now.
Last one, he don't like coffee.
Incorrect. It should be, he doesn't like coffee.
Great job. Keep practicing these little things and you'll improve every day.
Thanks for joining us on Dreams Speak English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.
And comment below with the weirdest English rule you've encountered.
We love hearing from you.
See you next time.
Bye for now.